In this video, how to export part of the video from timeline in Camtasia. It is useful for creating smaller clips from a larger project or exporting specific segments for review or feedback. Exporting a specific part of your video from the timeline in Camtasia is quite straightforward. Here are the steps. Click and drag on the timeline to highlight the video section you want to export. Right-click on the highlighted section. From the context menu, choose Export Timeline Selection as. Follow the prompts in the production wizard to select your desired settings, such as file format and quality. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.